In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money in Animal Company fast. Now, some people are just new to the game or they're just kind of broke, like they don't have that much money. So this is the video for you. Alright, let's go. So first, you're going to have to get a bag, or wait, no, you don't have to get a bag, but I'll make it a lot easier to actually do it, because if we were to do it without one, it would be a lot time consuming, and yeah. So get a bag if you get one. You can use this one, or for me I'm going to use this one. You don't have to. This one's really expensive, so it can fit a lot more items in it, but a normal one will do just fine. So pull this down and we'll just keep going back up, so pull it down, let go, and keep grabbing it. Items are just going to kind of come flying out of it, and you can just open your bag and put these items in, but yeah, like this, you can just put the items in. Just do this again. It doesn't even actually take that long. You'll notice this guy starts to right, let's get all these items. Oh, I missed one. But yeah, so you just get all the items, throw it into a bag, and then we can make our way to the selling machine. And you can basically just go up here, and you don't have to go up here, but if it's like a lot in the bag, then go down here and press all of these buttons until one, like, you don't have to press all of them. I just kind of like to, but yeah, once one like the blue, you start to get a good amount of money. So I just made 492, which isn't actually that bad. So now we can just do the same process. So just get it, and then we can just do this again. So we just we'll just get a lot of these. Alright, so now we're gonna sell this and see how much we get. This time I'm gonna pour it from the bottom. So it's not as much as last time. Last time we had a little bit more. But let's see how much we make. We might make 300 something, but yeah. 323 bucks. That's not actually that bad. So yeah, that's a really good way you can make money, or it's not the best way you can make money, but I mean, if you're a new player, you can do that to make some money. So yeah, alright, even if you're just broke. So yeah, that's how you get a lot of money, or a good amount of money in Animal Company. Hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching, and bye guys.